Hello, my name is Twizel Saidi and my colleague Maimana Emilie. So our content it is to translate the model which was organized for face-to-face practical trainings into online courses. So the topic that was discussed as ourselves is the production of story-based brick and blocks. We have the course overview. The module is production of soil-based bricks and blocks. The educational level is TVET schools level 3. It was also originated mode face-to-face practical training. Targeted learners, it is TVET construction students. It was originated to the duration of 1 week, 8 hours. This course was redesigned from traditional face-to-face TVET module into online distance learning format. We have used the articulate storyline. The main learning outcomes by the end of this unit, learner will be able to explain tools and equipment, identify how to prepare raw materials, apply safety precautions, evaluate suitable soil. Originally, the module was taught physical through classroom instructions and workshop practice. The targeted learners are TVET students studying building construction and brick productions technology. The sample online unit is designed for 1 week with approximately 8 learning hours. Let's focusing with online courses structures. Our modules, it is structured with first one is welcome page, the page which welcoming the students on the modules. The second one is welcome section or weekly sections and navigation buttons. The third one is video and audios. It means that our modules consist with video and audio. The fourth, it is assessment and feedback. It means that the learner should assess, it should get the assessment after reading the content and getting the feedback. We have the interaction lessons. When the learners get each to the content, they interact with their lesson. Let's start with Unit 1, preparing material, tools, and equipment. It has the two topics. The first one is selection of tools and equipment and preparing of raw materials as the second one. Let's focusing with category of tools and equipment. Categorized with safe equipment, which each first one is safety gloves, helmet, protection footwear, ears, goggles, protective clothing, face mask, earmuff, first aid kits. The second one is production tools and equipment, which is used for producing some of the tools, some of mads. We have the first one, which is pickaxe and hoe, spader, panga or machete, bucket, and temperature gun. Also, there are the others, which is bricks, malt, sieve or wire mesh, watering can, covering sheet or canvas, and hammer. The third is heavy equipment and tools maintenance. This one is very important. The first one it is CSEB machine. The second it is excavator. The third dumper trucks. Fourth it is extruder machine. The fifth is the crusher. The sixth which is wheelbarrow. The course explains the purpose of each tools, including pickaxes, hoe, bricks molders, sieve, and wheelbarrows. Learners are also introduced the equipment such as crusher and CSEB machine used in large-scale production. Safety is emphasized throughout the lesson using PPE such as gloves, helmet, mask, Google, and protection footwear. So there are some of the preparation process here. The first one is soil selection, second topsoil removal, the third digging and transport, the fourth weathering, the fifth is crushing, the sixth is blending, and the last one is the next one is tempering. Also, we have raw material preparation. The raw materials are soil or clay, water, fibrous, cement or lime, and sand. This lesson demonstrates how raw materials are prepared before bricks production begins. Learners study soil selection method, removal of soil, excavation, weathering, crushing, blending, and tempering. The lesson also explains the importance of correct soil composition and the moisture content for producing strong and durable bricks. Interactive image and narrative were added in the storyline to simplify complex technical process. Sample learning activities. Here there are sample learning activities such as slide content, interactive learning activities, soil identification activities, matching tools with function, embedded narration, instant feedback, and knowledge check quizzes. We have also drag and drop quizzes and feedback popping. It means that when you are learning the content, you see some of the questions which is for dragging and drop quizzes, and then you get the feedback. This slide demonstrates one sample learning activity developed in Articulate Storyline. Learners interact with drag and drop exercise quizzes and instant feedback activities. For example, students match towards their functions and identify suitable soil types for brick production. Immediate feedback helps learners correct mistakes and improve understanding independently. Let's see on technological used here. We used Articulate Storylines where we integrate with audio narration, interactive quizzes, embedded video, and getting the feedback layers. Just we see the model comes upload. Several technology were used to redesign this model for online distance. Articulate Storyline was selected because it supports interactive learning, multimedia interaction, and Scrum export for Moodle. Audio narration was added to guide learners through lesson synchronously. Interactive quizzes and feedback layer promote active participation and learners' engagement. We have accessibility and inclusivity. Accessibility features. Mobile-friendly design, learner access using their phone. Low bandwidth content audio support means that there are audio where learners with disability can access the content. Self-pacing learning. Learners should learn themselves. Offline compatible scrums. Simple navigation. The redesign course also considers learners' accessibility and inclusivity. The course can run on laptop and mobile devices. Multimedia files were compressed to reduce internet usage and support learners with low bandwidth. Students can learn at their own paces using narration notes and interactive activity. Scrum package also support offline and flexible access in learning management system. The next one it is assessment and feedback. It means that assessment strategy, formative quizzes, and interactive exercises, knowledge check, and immediate automated feedback. The reflection, better learner engagement, flexible learning supports self-directed study, improving accessibility, the challenge of multimedia optimization, learner-compatible quizzes, matching exercise, and interactive activity throughout of Unity. Immediate automation feedback to provide after every activity, where upload the Moodle Scrum package, learner progress and score can also be tracked automatically. Thank you.